Think biryani meets spice-packed Middle Eastern magic. Today we're diving into one of Saudi Arabia's most beloved dishes, Kabsa, aromatic rice, tender chicken and a symphony of spices. Let's turn your kitchen into a Saudi home. Kabsa, also spelled kabsa or makbuz in neighboring countries, is more than just food. It's a symbol of Saudi hospitality. Traditionally served on large platters for family and guests, this dish brings people together. Kabsa originated from the Bedouin lifestyle where cooking in one pot was essential for practicality and flavor. What makes kabsa unique is its careful layering of flavor. The chicken is cooked in the same broth that the rice absorbs, resulting in deep, rich taste in every bite. Here's what you'll need for 4 servings. 1 whole chicken, cut into pieces. 2 cups basmati rice, rinsed and soaked for 30 minutes. 1 large onion, finely chopped. 2 tomatoes, chopped. 4 garlic cloves, minced. 2 tablespoons tomato paste. 1 large carrot, grated. Half a cup of raisins. 1/4 cup of slivered almonds or pine nuts, toasted. 4 cups chicken stock or water. For the kabsa spice mix: 1 teaspoon ground cumin, 1 teaspoon ground coriander, half a teaspoon cinnamon, half a teaspoon cloves, half a teaspoon cardamom, half a teaspoon nutmeg, half a teaspoon paprika, salt and black pepper to taste. You can also add a bay leaf and dried lime, or lumi, for authenticity. And finally, cooking oil, ghee or butter, or start by heating oil in a deep pot. Add your chicken and sear on both sides until golden brown. Remove and set aside. Alright, let's start building that flavor base. In the same pot you want to sauté those onions until they're nice and soft. Then, add in the garlic, tomato paste, and chopped tomatoes. Give it a good mix and let it cook for about 3 to 4 minutes, just until it breaks down into a lovely sauce. Now, it's time to toss in your kabsa spice mix. The aroma should hit you instantly, filling your kitchen with that irresistible scent. Go ahead and return the chicken to the pot and stir it well, making sure each piece is beautifully coated with all those wonderful flavors. Next, pour in the chicken stock. If you're using bay leaf and dried lime, toss those in as well. Now cover the pot and let it simmer on low for 30 minutes. This is where all the flavors come together and infuse into the dish. Add your soaked basmati rice directly into the pot. Make sure the liquid just covers the rice. Simmer gently until the rice is fluffy and the chicken is fall off the bone tender, about 20 minutes. Top your kabsa with sautéed raisins, grated carrot, and toasted nuts for texture and sweetness. Serve straight from the pot. This is comfort food Saudi style. Traditionally, kabsa is served on a large communal tray with everyone eating by hand, a sign of unity and hospitality. In Saudi homes, kabsa is often reserved for lunch, the main meal of the day, especially during celebrations or when guests visit. Hack number 1, add a pinch of saffron to your rice water for extra aroma. Hack number 2, toast your kabsa spices before using for deeper flavor. Hack number 3, got leftovers? Shred the chicken and turn it into kabsa wraps. There you have it. Golden, fragrant Saudi kabsa with chicken. One pot, pure magic. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Middle Eastern classics. See you in the next recipe adventure. Subscribe for more dishes from the Middle East recipes thrills.